Hello everyone, today I will show you how to check previous notifications on iPhone. And here's how it is done. When using your iPhone, you can access your notifications by swiping down from the top left of the screen. If you have any notifications in your notification center, they will be visible here. You might need to swipe up to see all of them. In some cases, you may see a message saying no older notifications. If you have accidentally swiped away or deleted a notification and want to retrieve it, there are a few steps you can take. First, open your Settings app and tap on Notifications. This will show you a list of all apps and their notification settings. To find the notification you are looking for, scroll through this list and try to identify which app might have sent it. For example, if you think it might have been from Instagram, you will need to open this app directly to check. When you open an app like Instagram, you can tap on the messages icon, usually located at the top or bottom left to see any new messages or notifications. Even if you have deleted the notifications from your phone's notification center, they will still be visible within the app itself. This applies to various types of notifications, including text messages, emails, phone calls, or app specific alerts. Unfortunately, once you delete a notification from your iPhone's notification center, there is no way to retrieve it through the system settings. However, you can always open the specific app and find the notification there. For instance, in Instagram, you might see a heart icon at the top right that shows your notifications when tapped. If you are unsure which app sent the notification, it is best to open the apps you frequently use and check for any new alerts or messages within each one. And that is everything you need to know about how to check previous notifications on iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.